Don't! Me no want nobody wanna bomb me!
Box cover DuttyBerry here, and welcome to another Social House review. This time it is episode what?
4! Hey guys, whoop it. Like, you never want me to say me name?
I was just about to introduce you. You couldn't wait.
Alright, do your thing.
So yeah, I'm DuttyBerry, and with me is my lovely co-host
Jehneel, hey whooping guys! How you doing?
How you doing?
I don't know how you're so perky this early in the day, but anyway, please go and follow her on our social media right here,
Yes,
and to follow me on our socials. And yes, we have been seeing the reviews of our reviews, and the people them seem like they really like it. Like,
I know.
What the comments them when you again?
You guys should do this every week.
Yeah.
We love you guys.
Yeah.
The vibes is top tier.
Yeah.
It's on point.
Yeah.
We love you guys too. Mwah.
No man, you're going extra perky. This is okay.
We have life. We have everything.
I never hear the song there yet. Never know the song there yet. I make up that pan spot.
No, I'm a father.
So you're embarrassing me. I know my father truth.
From you have life, you have everything.
But anyway, people, let's get into our review of episode 4, Social House. So the show started off now, and this time they did the gym scene.
Yeah.
It was at the Aratel now, and we saw, was it Lila Nice, Rebel,
Ethan.
Chad Lucci, and Yardman there. What you thought about that opening?
Rebel, as a TC says, certain things you have to just slow. You understand the treadmill?
Yeah, I know for you.
How will this work? You just jump on when it's so me and it work?
Come here. Come here, make a reason, Rebel. Come here.
Yeah, man, talk to her.
her.
No, honestly,
Like-
me wonder, me say, but Rebel do the dancing and she do look aggressive.
Yeah, you're supposed to fit
Me
Rebel.
could understand if I pretty. Me could have understood if it was TC.
Yeah, man.
But in my mind,
Not
me did have it
Rebel.
say, Rebel, should I know how to just angle the whole of that?
50 pound Rebel.
Let me hold it down, yeah.
That showed me that she really took up the dolly work.
Yeah, man.
And dolly work, you
Rebel.
have to dainty if you take up dolly work. So Rebel is really
man.
showing, so she not really depend on the little dancing, something again. She is a full-time 9-to-5 dolly. There was a moment in there now where Yardman was in the gym, and he mentioned say he didn't want to come to the gym because he didn't want to bill him back.
So I had man set himself like one duck so.
Don't
you not see.
Don't do my friend,
No.
sir.
What's the phone? Hey. Mr. When me see
don't do
Yardman,
my
I said
friend,
no.
sir.
All right, do your thing, Yardman.
Oh, you see Yardman lift
But
the weight?
fix up yourself
I'm lift the weight.
like a duck.
Hold me and hold it. So put your hand there right
You
there.
not see that part there?
Oh, the little part when you're behind her, so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like, might have brace up. Come in, but when the show they start, they might ask if anybody, feel about love in the house.
Yeah.
So I feel like I had a little moment there, Rebel, like,
Yeah, one
hold up.
Hold on there.
Hold up, me can manage this myself. Give me a second.
Snabada, come here with you. You can't listen.
Just ease. Breeze.
Yeah, man. That is exactly what Yardman had to do right there. Me wonder like
Yeah, man. Perfect opportunity for you to do your thing. Your gym screech. Your gym. Jeez, on my neck.
Oh, yes, I'm telling you, remember, you can't do the dirty wine them back like back in the day. You have to put on certain things. All right?
All right.
So don't dirty wine again. Do the disinfected wine.
Now.
So then they announced that they're going to do a challenge now, and they had to run to go to Ochi. And you realize the people them split up in a 2 different vehicles. You think, say, one like a favoritism, you realize that the group of 6 them kind of split off in a 2 groups. You don't realize what going, huh?
No, Berry.
Why Tanya and Rebel could in the same car? Why Yardman, Ethan and Perry could in the same car? You know, realize says a little.
Can we just drink some water, please?
The people them who in the middle, I feel like are Chad to an extent, and Lee who just kind of just dead here now. I realize there's a little splitation in the groupation. That is what has been happening.
See people business and leave
No,
it
so
alone.
if you did in the group, if you did in the group of 6, as a 7 person, which car are you going at?
Oh, you see where am I do?
Which vehicle are you going into?
Okay, let me tell you which vehicle me I go in. Now must the vehicle with
With Are you going into the car?
I'm going into the car with...
We'll be right back after these messages.
Yeah. You load me up here. You just load me up, sir.
We are still waiting, Jehneel. Which vehicle you would have going in? Would you go into the car with Perry, Rebel, and Chad Lucci? Or would you go into the vehicle with Yardman and Ton Travels?
Would I go in with Rebel, Perry, and Chad? Because I'm more...
You see, what can you lie about?
Yeah,
Some of
Rebel
your
and...
voice are Meekle Mile. Gentle Jesus Meekle
Because
Mile.
me more know Rebel.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think now, more than going at the vehicle with Yardman and Ton Travels. I just feel like we just go with them, because then they have more space. Cause,
Yeah,
them they have more space because I'm alone in the back seat. When Perry was in the vehicle with Rebel and Chad, he decided to play some game now where he might give them like 2 words and they have to freestyle it and put it in one song.
Your freestyle have to include blue, and it have to include the word house.
Alright.
Ready now?
So I'ma come out at my house at 7. End up at New Kingston 311. My shirt blue, my not screw. Then I ooh, now must we. Don't I OT, on the screen.
Hey, them boots up Rebel for make Rebel feel like it's a #1 hit that she put out.
So you want to tell me right now, say you could have do better than Rebel?
Of course.
You think you could have do better than Rebel with that?
No, but I'll try.
Alright, so now I'll give you 2 words right now. 2 words I have a freestyle, alright? Water and bag juice. Come on.
Alright.
Ready?
Alright. So me's a girl, me love my bag juice. Me's a girl, me love my bag juice.
Yeah.
Me's a girl, me love my bag juice. But the man tell me say me just a feed pan it. So him tell me say me fi just low pan it. And
Yeah.
him tell me say me fi just drink my water and boots up myself so me ride it better.
Yo! Bomba! Yo! Spice! Spice!
Yeah!
You have to watch out for this one.
Yeah!
Spice! You have to watch out for this one.
The very first contestant to grace this live show stage, and what a stir she created.
Yo, man.
Yeah!
Yeah, not really sound that good. But I have to boost you up like how in the boots up Rebel. You want to give me 2 words now? I mean, try it.
Alright.
Let me hear your 2 words.
Chicken and frog.
Bombat.
Yeah. Chicken and frog.
Yo, you don't know, you don't know, say I bury the girl them cherry, make them feel merry. Aha! Yo, me say the girl them love my fried chicken, me say the girl them love off my fried chicken. Them say me love off the fried chicken, them say they love off my fried chicken. Me say, me turn her over and make she frog back. Me turn her over and make she frog back. Girl I sit down and I ride off me. Yo!
You are a multifaceted artist. Kelp and cook some chunks here. You come out strong.
Yo, listen, don't play with me.
Don't play with it. Yo.
Trust me, man. Come on, man. Yo.
Sure. Yeah.
Do this and beat me.
Do
this and beat
And
me.
beat me.
Tell them a dynamic duo. So we can be like IT and Fancy Cats, so Berry and Jehneel. So we can be BJ.
BJ, yeah. Wow.
BJ. That sounds very corporate friendly.
Yeah, BJ.
Would you like BJ near you?
Comment below.
If you want more BJ, let us know in the comments.
Let us know.
For some reason, Lee just never did here. What you didn't think about that because in my mind,
You look like you're not sleep.
Listen, from last season, my pick up say Lee is
Remember
like.
say we know you as a gully creeper. You know.
Listen, no man, and that may say Lee is a sneak out queen. Remember from the season before with she and.
Who is on the pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants!
You see that? Come here, say me now. We call the people.
Yeah, come say all you want.
We're not calling the people them name.
No.
Dash Apple.
You couldn't trick me. You couldn't trick me.
Dash Apple.
Yes, dash.
Fill in the blanks. Cool time, please. Hold on. And your final question. Fill in the blank. Dash. Apple. Answer.
I mean, if you put in the dash?
Yeah, man.
Why you mean you want put
Say no one say the word correctly.
No.
It rhyme with vine.
Pine? Jesus, Berry!
That'll do it.
You catch me right
Well, yeah,
there.
man. I say you get catch
me
right there.
Yeah.
We already established that Lee is the sneak out queen. So me feel like she never in the house.
No, Lee
never in the house.
You never sleep then, Lee.
What parents
Don't
say?
so fast.
Lee, you can't trick me.
You
Can't trick me. Couldn't trick me. She never in the house.
You
But
never
come here and
sleep
say if
there,
Lee
Lee.
did there asleep, them would have wicked for just drive out and left her.
you,
Gone
yeah.
all the way to Ochi. Nothing
Not
more.
even give her 5 minutes sleep for say, alright, she over. See, me could give her 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You no pop out, no matter you never sleep there.
But come here and say, good God, back to bad. Them could have just like call her like a Gas Pro taxi and like tell her and like Tan could have message her and be like, yo, you know, we are leave out now.
It's time to
yeah,
leave.
rush
Get
come
up.
up right
yeah,
now.
You never sleep the girl.
But all of them rush come out of the people in place like with the dirt mean. Appear.
No.
No, honestly, me, I wonder if it's a 4x1 team. It's a real team, no, Bill. Because every challenge, the all of them, run out. Till all the point when Lee finally reach her Ochi. But then if I want Uber, she take her something. But my girl reach her Ochi, you know, like wherever she was sleeping, she reach there in time and my girl up.
What a movie they near, man. Me I try remember the movie because she run like that white girl.
Lord God, which movie that? One of them scary movie there?
Yes! Yes, Berry.
Me can't. Nope.
Say it.
When I in a school challenge quiz.
Say it.
Our white duppy.
Yes!
Me can't with a white frock.
Yes, Berry!
Me don't know.
Say it, Berry!
Me don't know. Somebody in the comment. Me don't
Say
know.
it, man. Say it. Una go comment. Alright, you comment.
Uno comment. Uno watch show.
Comment.
And all the way have cable and
Yeah.
a streaming service. Cause right now my Netflix
Yeah.
one.
Pay for?
You can't like pay for me. Give me a little makeup.
I see if I can
You know what bad? Yeah, come they have some friends over and I say, alright, I'm gonna watch a little Chris Rock special. And when I put it on, there's something say your card. You must try for retry payment. Really embarrassing, man. I tell you, I will go through, you know.
But I give them a code, but they might charge extra.
Them say them stop that now, Jehneel.
Oh, them say them stop?
Yeah, so what's your excuse now? What is your excuse now, Jehneel? The people are there looking. They're looking on you right now and realizing that, are you a mean person?
I'm not a mean person.
So you're
Barry.
saying that you're going to give me your password in front of the lovely audience that we have right there.
I'll have to ask my sister first though. Yeah. I show my kind, and then you're gonna make you look like my mean, and you know me I offer that. And you just make you look like my mean. I'm not mean.
Yeah, you are. The people that must see it, I can't believe that you would have shared Netflix passwords. I'm good enough to do a review video with, but not good enough to be able to watch some show up on some streaming service. Wow!
Hello, influencers. Wow. You guys are so nice.
And then, your boy, Rush Cam, I'm not even gonna sit down now, just go and get that because...
You know, say, Rush, people's gonna come here a little, them realize that Rush outfit them, it matched the challenges.
Yes!
Rush, no, me really believe said that pants that was Aki.
Because he was at the supermarket.
Yes.
You know, like
no,
Rush,
believe said Rush, yeah.
in fashion, yeah.
Fashion.
You have to interpret on different levels. So
Yeah,
when he
man.
might give you, you know, like when you think this fire,
Yeah.
because remember, you know, what you do when you look about the Aki. You know, put it on a
You put
patawa.
it,
On a patawa.
fire.
Exactly. So you see
Yeah.
that? It might give you like different levels to the thing. So it might give you say, yo, it look like Aki.
Yeah.
But then, you cook the Aki, you have to go put it on some heat.
Yeah, man. Because Rush outfit match the challenge.
They like a jungle song we had to know.
Yeah, that jungle song
because
there.
he bring back the chlorophyll from week 2. He bring back the chlorophyll, I'ma tell you.
Wait, you know, she said him outfit match the background.
Yeah, man, it look like it's a camouflage thing. He could have blended in right there with the leaf them and the something them. Rush,
bother.
you have a different something to the
Yeah,
fashion,
man.
man.
To
To the fashion, man. It look like one of them look a crocodile Dundee, something they were doing in Australia. Can you do an Australian
You go
accent?
ask Tana, she alone go school there.
You never watch the show them when they go through like the lion them in the jungle and when them do, all right now we're in the outback. We can't do it so good.
And we're going go
It's a
see the
croc.
flag around the corner.
We just saw a croc right around. No man, we sound like a country.
It has 2 parts. You cannot complete part 2 unless you've completed part 1.
And then he announced that they're basically going to be doing this obstacle course. And I say, right, okay, then fair enough. But who did you expect to do the best and probably the worst at the challenge? Like just the little synopsis so that they gave. Who you did expect say you say, all right, them need to look out for the person here.
Are just two persons? I can't say.
Yeah, you can't say like who you did expect.
And Ethan.
Oh, that they're like going into it, they did have your eye out for them and I say, yeah.
Bro, I tell her say, your sister Tan, she very adventurous. Yardman have the yardman thing that thing like him always got country and go up in
Yeah man, the little, yeah.
Yeah, so we see that challenge, two of them are them they look for
yeah,
run
man.
out.
Cause Ethan have some ital intensity and travel,
Yes.
and Tan should travel well.
She travels, yes.
She knows certain terrain and like.
I could contribute.
Yeah, man, yeah, she have it too. So for real, I agree with you, but we did also put in Chad.
Yeah.
Because when did have it, I say, yo, Chad. Because I'm young and I feel like him travel too and stuff like that. I think say, okay, them something and probably just find fun. Yeah, man, and so at them there, but who they expect for the like going into it, they say, boy, you know, I feel like this is going to be a challenge for them.
Lee and...
Yeah, I definitely have Lee and Perry. When
yes,
they have Lee and Perry, because I feel like they don't really love them type
and for
of...
them type of thing that, yeah.
What I thought that them give them send up Lee there first because as punishment, because she reached late.
Yeah.
So them say, you see that? And that you
You
get.
for go on.
So what you thought about just the challenge overall now with Lee attempt?
Alright, I'm gonna be honest, me now go around here. See, last season challenge, it was more fear factor something there.
Yeah.
Like, me did enjoy season 1 challenge compared to this one. It was okay, no, it was okay. But as I said, season 1 challenge when at the same.
No man, I feel like I want different obstacle course. Like this was okay, but it
was
just
okay. It was just it was just okay. As I said last season when them that boom challenge something, trust me, when you see TC all out of breath, you go
yeah man, the adrenaline and the something they did there, the one you a little bit, it look like a little bit of elementary school. Like it just, you know, but like Lee do her thing and I was like, yo, she never punk out. She stick through it and she go through the challenge and me and say yeah.
With her stush self. Lee's stush still, you know.
Who was next?
Perry.
What you thought about Perry?
Oh my God! Perry!
Honestly, what people don't realize with Perry, like, I think Perry understands reality TV.
Mighty God and Daniel. Just use my height.
Him bring the profile, like, him know the little, you know, the little something that little real housewives, like, him know if I bring the little Nene Leaks, the little Phaedra, the little Portia, the little Cynthia, the little Claudia Jordan.
Yeah.
Right?
Perry just looks tush to me. Perry looks.
Honestly, as a matter of fact, why is Perry there? I think they Perry for just take over the show.
Yeah.
I think that is because Perry just like, listen, Perry say I'm committed to the challenge, but Perry's like, listen, I'm richer than all of y'all. I never need the money. I'm just there for just blessing her with humor.
Yes,
like,
that's it.
I'm just there for blessing her with humor. Now I'm coming last month every challenge. I'm not feeling no way about it.
I'm not feeling no way about it. What me I tell you, Perry?
Perry is just there to be stand up. Yeah. I think that's it. After Perry now, who was next?
Rebel.
Oh, you talk about how Rebel angle it now.
Rebel, me tired for tell you, come and make me lick your name back. Rebel, me tired. Come on, man, Rebel. Me cannot hype you up so you just a flap, Mr. Rebel. Every week, me I say, this is it for Rebel.
Yeah, man, because you see the name
and then Rebel just goes up.
Yeah.
Then she goes up.
Because once again, I feel like Rebel knows she have up her good money, you know. Yeah. Remember Rebel, you know, a girl like travel and she buy the name brand and
come on.
So I feel like Rebel start off, Rebel is just like, yeah man, me gonna do it. I want to be the very, very best Pokemon again that no one ever was. And when she reach up there, you know, like when they did watch, when they showed him everybody hates Chris.
Yeah.
And the mother, one time the mother gonna look extra work and she just quit the 2 jobs and be like, I don't need this. My man got 2 jobs. Like I feel like Rebel go up there and be like, Ross, I need this. I have money. I don't need this.
But I'm here.
I make $1 million in 2 days.
Yeah,
I don't need this.
Alright, oh God, we're gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. Remember saying now we give them episode 2, episode 3. Now we're at episode 4. We'll give them episode 5. Can you hear what Rush say? More money.
The moolah is there.
All
so
right.
then after
Rebel, it was.
Oh, it was Yardman.
Yeah.
Yardman have a thing where him just have the eye of the tiger every time him step out for do a challenge.
Yeah, man, him have this competitive look on him face, and I love that about him.
Yeah, he's not a Usain Bolt. You know,
that.
like as half a use intense when him, you know, look.
Yeah. like a Mike Tyson.
When I want to see in a social house, I rush out to the rest of them day.
You neck too? Are you see? That's why I'm not good for laugh for people.
Yo.
My mother always say, who laugh last?
Alright, yes, someone. Oh,
Best,
Lord.
you know?
You're not forget that.
You good? Alright.
Oh, my God.
Good now?
It's well. Thank you for doing something. Jesus, you have to make it look like a Obe here trying to get off of me.
Alright.
Lord God.
You good now?
No, man, Karma really is a bitch.
Alright.
Jesus Christ. So Ethan started the challenge now. Honestly, the whole part of it, no, I'm not even really focused on Ethan. It was the way up Perry just a wish for the youth to have him downfall.
Stop! You for stop!
The whole entire time, poor Ethan up there driver just focus. You think you could have focused if like Perry did that with you?
Yeah.
You think you could have like just focused on your game?
Yeah, because what he must say, it motivate me more for come through, you know.
Yeah, but which artist normally have the one like a Bad Mind song them? But I forgot start play like
Chronic Land?
a Chronic Land, the something them, the cargo them and the sit them.
Yeah,
you
man,
forgot draw and just like black out and focus in. Like when Chad Lucci is saying in one of the earlier episodes, them, you know, Perry is very, what you call it, him very methodical about like how him approach the competition.
Yeah.
Why you look so? That means him just processes something deep and like, you know, but like Perry, him seem like a same very calculated.
Yeah.
And like you realize him never really give the energy to the people that come before.
Yeah.
A yard man get it.
Yeah.
Think the people
and even the last one them come on, it was more like a team
it like, yeah, it more intense with Yardman. I'm say, oh, maybe they might build up a little, you get a little something. Someone say, all right, I'm peep that now. I'm say, all right, then. So it seems like it's a Perry versus Yardman type of like energy. I go on and also I say,
Cause me never jump on it yet. You know, I wait until everybody finish.
Yeah.
I say, okay, the last one them go on.
Yeah.
More coming like a team thing.
Team,
like,
but for yeah.
Okay, take your time to that. Straight line.
Yeah.
Come across. You get what I say? It was like, more like a team thing. Yeah, like
go zoom.
Wanna sabotage Ethan though?
Yeah, man, that is your uncle Ethan.
Wanna plan up?
Ethan, never did that come up.
So after Ethan, who was it? Who came next?
Tan.
Talk about Tan's effort.
Tan. A plus.
Girl says she don't like anxiety. She don't like for they wait for too long. She like for just run out, rush out.
And she did rush out. She did her
like,
thing.
honestly,
like,
Tanya.
She, like, Tan do it, like, so she do it already, like a long time. She, you know, that's something here. Tan, hey, we have matching nails. Hey, baby.
Okay, big up yourself. No, man, Tanya different.
And I put them long. You get what me I said? The girl put them long.
Tanya look like them. Tanya look like them like a high school girl where you know so used to be a goal shooter. You know the goal shooter them that them just have up your so and then everything else are legs.
Yeah.
Remember them girl you know like.
Yeah.
Remember for them girls. Remember for them girls. Them girl you used to go to school and have the belt that's so up your so.
Yeah.
It's like if you want that so your name come right underneath you. Underneath to them. Your name there. Where everything is like from Yasso, I saw them hips start.
Yeah.
And everything else are leg like
honest
she have
to
that.
God, that is, yeah man. And it a work fair because I eat make sure I win them challenge.
Yeah man, like she really just
yeah,
like she have the thing that me say, wow, she fearless.
Yeah man, the girl won $1 million and she did won the $50,000.
No man, Tanya eat them challenge like so she broke.
Girl,
no,
you
man,
have to do what you have to do, yeah, girl. Go for your money, baby.
No man, she committed to them challenge here like, you know things that she broke.
You're supposed to.
You know things that she broke and have your feet pan like crackers at night time.
Yeah, that's why you have to
like
give really, you have to go in there like you're hungry. All if you have the million in your account already,
you want more.
You want more.
Want
so
2 million, yeah.
And that is Tan. Tan and eat and show me say,
show you. Okay, wow.
Like them hungry.
Oh.
Your sister them hungry.
You have neck talents though.
Yeah, got it. But
neck strong.
Jesus.
Wow. Okay, Jehneel. All right.
Stop.
I see you.
PG-13.
Stop. Okay. Then finally, who was it?
Chad.
No, Chad. Honestly, like me there root for Chad and me I say, one to the little, there's something that's never did that work with him. The piece of, what you call it, the piece of metal where you have to carry and bring round.
Straight knee.
Push it. Come for the bamboo walk and come over.
Hold it straight, Chad. Straight knee, yeah.
The youth I try to go in at the challenge, you know. And the damn piece of something I want it to be great. You know what I mean? That's what it up.
Then tell Chad say, make it straight.
Yeah, like, they might tell him the same word, and me like, honestly, me that flip up, because me like, you know like when Jamaican people like give a direction?
Yeah.
And then was a straight turn, straight round, straight round, straight left.
Which
You know what I mean?
round the
All your
corner?
head, like, what you trying to tell me? Gotta stop like how?
But for somebody who said them afraid of heights, Chad, you
Him
did
do
well.
it, man, him do it, man.
You have one with yourself, me, you big up yourself. You did well.
Yeah, and so after all of that went on now, then the final step was was what happened now. Oh yeah, Rush will come back and give them like the standings.
The
and
points.
so he announced that, who was last?
Perry.
Yeah man, when Perry faced did shock. Like when
Me shocked too.
Yo, honestly, the way Perry that go on with the other people, them, me expect the Perry I come like a second and third. I was just like,
Him own it. You own that like a boss. You owned it like a boss.
no man, like honestly, honestly, this not look good, Perry.
Like first say, yeah, give me it. It's alright, me wear it.
And then
Nothing wrong.
And then who came next?
Rebel. Boy,
Rebel.
You left from fourth, gone a fifth.
So you see what me tell you, people, you say, watch right enough for which bad for people? Because him and Rebel did that, and I wish for the...
My mother always say when you dig gold, dig too. Cause look there. Look
Because
on
the
Perry and
old
Rebel.
And he just come and say, Radam.
Radam.
Me I said, Jesus
Right
Christ,
at
just
the
like a while
very-
ago, me did a laugh about your neck and then end up go juke up mine.
Yeah,
So lesson learned, we're all learning that you have to just root for people and keep your heart pure because you see when you try to get messy.
do good and good will follow.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Come on, I can't say you look a church girl there, you know,
My
you look
mother-
a stuff
my mother
there.
grew me good.
Oh. So Lee coming fourth now. That me never expect.
Me never expect
Can
that
we have an
Lee.
applause for Lee? For Lee? No, honestly. This
Lee.
I tell you, say last week, Lee, I got rush out for the money, When I say Lee, you know, I say Lee, alright?
Yeah.
Sure signs say you're
sure
really
something.
in it. So maybe money was the motivation.
Yeah, and me
So
see
she
say
do
me
her
never
little
come
thing
out
now.
next week.
And then third was Chad Lucci. And then second place now. When them talk about the time now, me I say, yo, and them two you really at top the class.
Yeah,
You can't tell so them used to be teachers pet in a school.
I know.
You can't tell so them are the people that used to sit down and actually do them homework and ask. and tell her, Miss, like, Miss, you sure you want us to leave it up giving us any assignment? So the two of them come first and second and me are like, yo, whoa.
You go, guys.
I think right there and then they might establish themselves say, yo, them are the ones to beat. Like the Chad Lucci, the Tan Travels and the Yardman Ethan.
Yeah.
And them are the ones who say so far, like I set up themselves to say, yeah. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Me miss Rush being in the challenges.
Yes, Rush, because me enjoy a couple episodes when you are
Because honestly, yeah.
interact.
I feel like I'm going to talk about it,
I wonder
Because we talk about it. Because we
say
talk about it and them say, you know what, we really are overwork Rush. We're going to make Rush go relax.
Oh,
I mean,
God,
I said, no, bring him back.
I love see it, Rush.
Bring him back, man. Make him go through the challenge them with the contestants.
Rush there. Bring him back.
I want him to go through the obstacle course them. The
Yeah,
that,
man,
man.
Rush. Yeah.
We really
Me
want
not used to that you there last night.
Yeah,
You
man.
see
We
me?
not used to
So
that.
bring back out.
Him is
Rush.
an unofficial 7 contestant.
Yes.
Like him is a host, but I want him to go through the challenge.
Yes.
I
Yeah,
tell them,
man.
say, all right, then make your way. All right, bring it around. I want and I sing the little song them too. You get me with that one? That you get me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, Rush. I hope you're okay though. Mwah.
Every minute is like, oh my God, rush cam. It's never, yeah, Dutty Berry. It's just like, whoa, rush
You
cam.
don't say lion wicked.
Anyway, we're going to move things right along. So yeah, man, so then Rush announced that they're going to do the second part of the challenge now.
Yeah.
What did you think about it?
To be honest with you,
Yeah.
me never really understand it. So talk to me. What you think?
Me never really get the whole instructions of the
no.
challenge, and that's something I feel like the social host or the need for work on, because sometimes I watch like me not really fully get the objective of the challenge. Sometimes it's not so clear. So me, I watch it and I figure it as it go along. You get me?
Yeah, cause me really never understand that challenge.
Yeah.
Me
Sometimes
me not even didn't know. Come I say, wait.
yeah,
when
so
them
sometimes
really
about like
start?
the wording and like how it construct, like me just like make that kind of clearer. So when I watch it, I feel like I get a full grasp of like the intention of the challenges.
Yeah.
So them go do that now and say, yo, basically them have an instructor and you have to go follow them up the way to the top, and then at the end you go drink the boom. So when me see this now, I say, yo, definitely I have it right there, and then I say, yeah, man,
Can.
Perry, This, I don't think this is in a Perry ballpark at all.
No, so I can't. I'm tell you who me did watch her run. Tan, Chad.
You know who me did I watch?
Who?
Lee. Lee is a girl that she work for money. No. Honestly, when I see Lee take off, Lee take off like a some Shelly and Fraser out of the starting block. When I see this, I say, no man, Lee, it look like you need to sleep out of the house more often. Look like she really need to reach late. She need to reach late to her challenge them. Like Lee approves, so she really want to move up the ranks in the competition now. So I say, no, I really look on Lee differently. I say, yeah man, kudos to you, Lee. And she got through the something one time, she dropped down another one precipice. I say,
like she had struggle for cover. What me telling her last week? Me telling her last week, said, listen to me. I said, Lee's that girl.
She's an underdog. She's one to watch.
Like, you see, the real challenge them, she has save up her energy for bro.
Yeah.
I say, yo, Lee, come on, more energy.
Yes, I that me.
Lee, I save her energy, bro.
So, I just feel proud of Lee, and I say, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Lee,
man, fourth place. Yes, Lee, Rebel.
And then, third, of course, again, third, it was Chad Lucci. And then, once again, the top two, the A students, the honor roll. She get $50,000 now, and I'm like, wow, Tan. Tan, this competition is yours to lose. Because I realize, Tan, from last season, Tanya, is the new China K. You see the same little uptown, but she kind of loved the little adventurous and put out her effort.
Rough edge
she had give with a little China K. Moustache. But I love do the little something there. Look aside with him and Perry. Perry, this is something about Ethan, and Ethan reply to it.
Big up Trudy, whoever she want name Trudy, I'm going to see you soon because I can pull out him locks.
Some people vex because them not here for them. I hear what him say about me. But I pull out my locks.
So right there again, I say, no man, something, one little versus. I go on.
Not one thing. That to everybody.
You never yet see me anybody in the war and in the contention. She come in there and she scream at me. I'm a scream back.
Social host make me want to watch for next week.
I love people. Hold on. Berry.
Because I can't like a peace and love and a pulse program I go on, Everything I can go on so peaceful in the show. Like now we're gonna get a real showdown. You know, she said look at all the entire thing I go on between look like a something I go on between Rebel and Tan Travels.
Yeah, but it look like
I look like Perry in the movie like that now. So me I said, Jesus Christ. Yo, honestly, social house, I decided for doing if you put the people them and not agree, let them go into the same house. Like the same car. Put them on some team together. You see, if me go there now and realize that we're going, I'm put in like one boxing challenge.
Me set up
Then I'm put in one box. I know who me go up against each other. Me I put Perry against who? Come on.
Ethan.
Right
through. Who again?
Tan Travels against who? Come on.
Right, no must Rebel man.
Rebel.
Come no man. Who again? Leon who?
Leon Chadlucci. Can equal rights time.
Yeah.
Yeah, equal opportunity.
Probably Chad, we just take couple league cause him not go.
Yeah man. That's for one.
Right now, next week episode, me I tell you.
Yo, me did my eyelash. Which one? Your real one or the one where you add on?
All right, Barry. Anna, big up my last tech, Anna. Yeah.
I did up my glasses.
Yeah.
Then like something now to give me let me say, but I say, all right, not the social house becoming 876 roommate.
Come on now.
Man, like Jesus Christ.
So uptown coming downtown now.
From long time, I go on and I say, yo, it look like Tanya don't back down, Remember when Perry did go on a little challenge and Tanya rush out and say, Perry, remember say you twice my age. And then she rush out and Perry say, I want the girl, yeah. I want the girl know okay.
Tanya is that girl. Let me tell you, like, more no one for trace her.
I think everybody that also really like go against Perry. I mean, it look like say Tanya are the one where she not go back down.
No, she not
like
go back down.
She seem like say, yo, she not really fear nothing. I mean, I say bonky didos.
Like when she accustomed the words, them just fly off.
And even the idea that Tanya would even be at a war of words with Rebel Tan is about that life.
You could never talk to me like an angel. I'm gonna start back up.
Nobody said you smart. Don't piss me off.
Is about.
But come to know which uptown girl not do them research. I know say if I want Dali I want for cross it with.
Tanya bad girl.
Yeah man.
Like you is a uptown bad girl.
Yeah man.
I like you. You go with yourself you know.
Now I understand the name Uptown Badness. Remember?
Yeah, for true.
Yo, Tanya, yeah, bring that to life. Real Uptown Badness. That's the way name. Anyway, that is it for our social house review of episode
4.
If you like to make sure say you like it, comment, you subscribe, you share. Please to go and follow Jehneel on our social media right here, so. Yeah, man, and follow me over here. And let us know, you know, if you're excited for next week's show and who you think are going to really dominate the showdown, the little tracing match. Sound off in the comments. All right, take care. Ta-ta.
You just said bye-bye so fast?
Like what I'm supposed to do now.
Oh. All right, guys. So see you next week. And we love you guys. And thanks for watching.
I'm hungry. My energy, I'm really hungry right now.
Really, Barry?
Yeah.
No, you said I got order pizza, bro? Oh, Jesus.
Want order pizza again? You always come here with guests, you know.
Sorry.
We need to stop this anyway.
So what? Barry! Barry!
Bye, guys.